First of all, this is just cruel. As a sentence request, it's going to be so hard, especially in Scottish. Okay, let's go. Purple burglar alarm.
Standard British.
Purple burglar alarm.
Devonshire.
Purple burglar alarm.
German.
Purple burglar alarm.
Scottish.
Purple burglar alarm.
Geordie.
A purple burglar alarm.
Brummie.
Purple burglar alarm.
Yorkshire.
Purple burglar alarm.
Scouse.
Purple burglar alarm.
Irish.
Purple burglar alarm.
Russian.
Purple burglar alarm.
Cockney.
Purple burglar alarm.
South African.
Purple burglar alarm.
Northern Irish.
Purple burglar alarm.
New Zealand.
A purple burglar alarm.
British RP.
Purple burglar alarm.
New York.
A purple burglar alarm.
Australian.
Purple burglar alarm.
Welsh.
A purple burglar alarm.
French.
Purple burglar alarm.
Southern.
A purple burglar alarm.
Jamaican.
A purple burglar alarm.
West Country.
A purple burglar alarm.
Spanish.
Purple burglar alarm.
Canadian.
Purple burglar alarm.
Dutch.
Purple Dutch. So the Dutch. I gotta go Dutch. I gotta go to Holland. The old people do old purple accent. Purple burglar alarm. Dutch was not good. The Scottish one. Purple burglar alarm. A purple burglar alarm. A purple burglar alarm. No, forget it.